Hi all, welcome to my channel. In this session, I'll be showing you the sampling and sorting in Alteryx. How are we going to do this? So, initially take the input data, so input tool, and then I'm going to connect it to an Excel. That is, I have an customer data input. So I'll just take that Excel and I'm going to feed it as input and run the flow. So this contains 50 records. So this is the customer data and the data contains 50 rows. And say I take a sample, I need I need a sample of 5 rows or 10 rows. So what I'm going to do is take the sample tool. If you cannot find in this toolbar, go and search here with the name as sample. So you can see the sample. Drag it and place it here. Connect the input and the sample tool. So when we place the sample tool here, we can see these many options. That is first n rows, last n rows, skipping the first n rows, one of every n rows, one in n chance to include each row. There are various options. Say I need first 5 rows. I have given first n as 5 and then run the flow. So now the output is the first 5 rows. And then I go and give it as last n rows and run the flow. So this is the last 5 rows. These are the last 5 rows. And then skip first n rows. So this will skip the first 5 rows and then it will give the rest. So I'll just run and show you this. So this has skipped the first 5 rows and totally we have now 45 records. Out of 50, the first 5 is gone and the remaining 45 records are displayed here. Okay. Then we have one of every 5 rows. One in every 5 rows will be shown here. Okay, so we have 10 records here. Got it? So this is one in every n rows. And then 1 in 5 chance to include each row. So you can go and try with each of these options and then you'll be able to understand. This is 1 in 5. And then first 5% of rows out of 50. What is the first 5%? First 5% of rows. So this is the first 5% of the rows. Okay, so this is nothing but the sampling of the data. And we can even group by these columns, whichever column you need, you can just group by this and then create the sample. That is as per your wish. And then now I'll show you the sorting tool. What is the sorting? Here is sorting. So if you want to sort the data, go here, search with sort option, and you can see the sort tool. So I'll drag it here. Okay. And now, since I have here, I'll just take it as first 10 rows and run the flow. So if you click here, you can see the first 10 rows are there. So this 10 rows will be the input to the sort tool. And click on the sort tool, and here we can sort based on customer ID, any of the fields. Say I want to sort by customer ID, descending order. And then run the flow. So the output is the customer ID. You can see this is in the descending order. Okay, so what have we done here? We took a sample of customer data. Then we just required the first n rows. That is, the first n rows is the 10 rows here. And then we sorted the data. So this is the usage of the sample tool and the sorting tool. So that's all for this video. If you like our channel, please, if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you.